Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream.
Nice for me. We've just been and got a Mickey Premium sandwich, your favourite, and we're just heading into Africa. Come on, let's go. It's really early this morning. We managed to get here for 8 o'clock opening time, and we're just heading on to the Kilimanjaro safari. We're going to do flight of passage, but that's already on 50 minutes, so we changed our mind. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's amazing here. So beautiful. Tusker House where you can have breakfast with the characters.
Morning has broken, our windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times you give me hope. So I lean on you when I've lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own.
Blue and beyond here. So these are the queue lines today. Not too bad. We are here super early. So we just got off of Kilimanjaro Safari, and it's so amazing. Especially in the morning, I feel like some of the animals are up a little bit more. So we're just walking through now to maybe get to Everest, and I think we're just passing by the Tree of Life. I'll just show you. Yeah, it is. Just walking around this park is just breathtaking. Yeah, in Harambe, in the sort of Africa area, it's so beautiful.
Morning has broken, our windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times you
Jack and Yeti. They do really nice orange chicken and rice and just beautiful, really nice, yummy food. There is a restaurant as well. That's just the quick service, but there is a restaurant as well. So this is where the monkeys are. There is one just down there. I'm not sure you can actually see it. Try and zoom in. Just there. He's having his breakfast.
You can be my breakfast today.
There's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I lean on you and I lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day.
Just heading on to Expedition Everest by myself. I don't like doing this. The kids don't want to go on this. They have done it before, but they're not bothered this morning. So I'm just going to head on. We've done a rider switch, and it does mean I can actually get into Lightning Lane. So I'm gonna head off over there now and do this by myself. But I'm a little bit scared. I'll be fine. I love this ride. I would just rather have someone with me, but never mind. Expedition Everest, and it was fine. It's a little bit jerky, that one, but it was fine. I was fine by myself, and it wasn't as long as I remembered actually the first time. Just going back to these, look, I just sat on this beautiful lake. Oh, it's beautiful here. I'll show you around. Oh. So we're just heading into Dino Land. Lee's going on Dinosaur, and we're going to try and get on Triceratops Spin as well. So yeah, I thought we'd better make the most of this area, because obviously this is going to be going, isn't it? So, oh, look, Donald's Dino Bash. Oh.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on your words again. Girl, I need you.
Woo! Oh, it's beautiful.
Another chance, loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for you.
So we're just waiting for Lee and Winnie to be finished on Dinosaur, and I'm just going to eat the other half of my Public sub that I purchased yesterday. It's been in the fridge all night, and then obviously I just stuck it in the bag this morning. It's only, I want to say it's about 10 o'clock, but I need to eat it because obviously it's been in the bag. I don't want it to go bad. So this is breakfast, but to be fair, it looks delicious. It's a roast beef sub, and it's got lettuce, jalapenos, black olives, mustard and mayo. Oh my god.
that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeger, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. And
So we're just heading into the Nemo show. We've not seen this one before, so this should be nice. It's a first for us. So let's go in. So just waiting for the show to start. It shouldn't be too long. I think it's about 10 minutes. And then we'll be ready. Yeah? Come on.
The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's. Rescue, rehabilitate, and...
Yeah, hi, little fella. Yeah, no. I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Well, why don't we tell them?
Oh, let me. I'll tell the birds. Oh, I never tell the birds. I got a story off the roundabout.
Maybe we should let her tell them.
Listen up. These travelers came a long way, and they deserve a good story. So, we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started...
Oh, more like that blue tailing door. No, when they fell that mask.
No, it's when they escape those sharks. That part's scary.
I have a short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Something's wrong. Really, you're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico.
Nemo! Hello.
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
Hi, Dory. And this is...
You don't need to know, we were just leaving.
I'd like to invite you more to a little party on heaven.
What you bring for us, mate? We're starving.
Have a taste of all.
Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time.
So we've just done the Nemo show and we're just heading out now. What we're going to do is head to Boardwalk if possible. There's a snack that Lee wants to get, so we're going to get over to Boardwalk. And then we're going to try and get into Epcot so that we can get a Guardians virtual queue. It does depend really on when that comes through, because if it is late we'll end up having to leave, so we'll see, because there's other things that we want to do tonight. So we're just heading out. It's been a beautiful day at Animal Kingdom one morning. It's 11:45, so I feel like I've got lots done today. So we're just heading out. I'm off to the boardwalk. We've never been before, so I'm looking forward to seeing this actually.
Figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the
So we're just going to get a bus to the boardwalk. So we need number 20. Really struggling with the heat right now, so we're just going to go and get on a nice cool bus and head to the boardwalk and get the snacks that Lee's after. Huh?
I said I'd put my eyes off those, even with the sunglasses on.
It's so bright.
should let you know, yeah. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know.
Here we are, right at the boardwalk, and it looks absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. So here's people's balconies, which is really nice. We're just on the walkway up to the boardwalk. Probably hear my fan in the background, it's absolutely roasting. They've raced up this hill. How in this heat? I do not know.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No words no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No words no more.
Very fancy. And then over there, I feel like that's Yachting Beach. I'm not quite sure, I need to check that, but pretty sure.
No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no. Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing. Look at the board. Oh, look at the swan and dolphin. Surrey bikes. Oh, wishing you a magical day. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. Wow. Yeah, that is so heavy. And then we've got the peanut butter to dip. Yeah, of course.
It's not too ridiculous.
My lips are so cool. It's a very unique flavour. Nice. I'm not sure I would order it again. That one's for you. So Lee's finished it. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
I feel like I need a shower.
Because it's squirted everywhere. He said he really enjoyed it and he would recommend it. So if you do like pickles and corn dogs, maybe come and get this from the boardwalk. It comes with peanut butter. How much was it, Lee?
It's expensive. It was like $17, $16 something.
Excluding tax?
No, including.
Oh, including tax, was it? Wow.
Yeah, it's the best part of
But
$17.
that was huge and it weighed an absolute ton. So you're probably done now, are you, for dinner?
No.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's it, $20 for dinner.
That snickerdoodle.
Yeah, we have got actually we did get a snickerdoodle muffin, which we're going to try. So let's see. Oh my goodness. That was a bit of an anticlimax. Just sponge.
And the taste is out to tell.
Yeah, it does look tasty. I'll cut it into 4. To be fair, these are absolutely huge. How much was this?
About $5.
About $5. But obviously that's done 4 like big pieces, to be fair. That's it.
Does it taste like?
Very soft. It tastes a bit lemony, a bit cinnamony. Not really nice. It's just sponge cake, but it was really nice. Oh my goodness. So these have just been to the ice cream shop. What have you bought? Oh, it's beautiful.
We went to fetch some cotton candy.
Oh no.
Okay.
Calories on
And we got
calories on
melted
calories.
marshmallows, and we got hot fudge.
Oh,
So-
careful. Wow.
And that, because it came with it.
$26. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. There's Minnie, look.
Oh, you can clean it there.
You
Cookie
can
out.
take that home,
Oh,
can't
you can
you?
clean it there. Oh,
Is it nice,
the
Minnie?
double cookie out.
I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make.
So we've just been to the boardwalk, and then we went over to Epcot because it's so close, and we've just hopped on the Skyliner over to the Riviera because we're going to grab an Uber. It's absolutely beautiful here. There's so many resorts here that are free to look around and just to pop in, and you can use the restaurants. Here's the map. So we thought we'd get an Uber from here just because it's, well, why wouldn't you? It's absolutely beautiful. There's Topolino's Terrace as well where you can go for dinner. So yeah, here we are.
Some people cool, some people try to get by. If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it.
Some really nice things in the Riviera shops, lovely. Oh, that's really nice. Some dresses, bags. They are, yeah, Christmas ornaments. So we just come to Orange World. This is somewhere that Lee's wanted to look in for a while, so I'm just going to head inside and see what they've got. Yeah, it's just a big, big orange. We're just in Orange World, as you've probably just seen, and we've got absolutely everything in here. Oh, look, oh, these ring a bell. We used to buy things like this when I was little, and I can't quite remember what they were, but yeah, nice, aren't they? Oh, I love it in here, a little knick-knack shop. Oh, here we are, look. Oh, Winnie, look. 7 Keys coconut toast spread. Oh my, I would love to try that. Look at this, Lee. Coconut toast spread. Oh, chocolate gators, look, if you fancy eating a gator. These look absolutely delicious. So these are fruit flavoured slices. I'm guessing they're just maybe like sweets, like jellies, but they look nice. Oh, I've got taffy. Oh, wow. These look really nice. Well, there's no prices though. That's the only thing about this.
$10.99.
Oh, yeah, there is, sorry. Yeah.
Nice and cute though.
Kind of.
I like the McQueen one from
Oh.
this one from Mrs.
Or Mrs. Hogg. I thought you said Miss
They
Hart.
have Florida on them. Look.
Do they?
Florida.
Oh, they do. Let's go and have a look then. So what we've actually come for is to have dinner at Cracker Barrel. We absolutely love it here, so let's go inside. And the shop in Cracker Barrel is always worth a look around. They've just literally got absolutely everything, and their Halloween and Christmas decks in here are beautiful.
I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down.
This was the food that we had. Me and Lee ordered 2 mains and we basically halved them and shared them. We ordered some fried pickles, which are delicious and our absolute favourite. And then of course you've got the biscuits that they bring out at the beginning with the jam. Oh my god, they're amazing. We love them. Someone got it on?
No, Flexing the sleeves fella.
Has that happened to your best, Lee?
Yeah. That might be old last time.
Takes £2 to handle. My no way, look at that. Might be old, but I still have my nuts. Yabba dabba doobie.
With a cleaner.
Oh dear.
Michelle, look at that look.
We could have been stardust, same world but with